Well done, Ben, for doing the first two levels of the Rubik's Cube. And we chatted on the phone the other day and we decided that it'd be best if you solved the white first, because some of the tutorials that you learn online, it's just got the white first and the yellow last. So let's just keep it consistent. It's the same difficulty to solve the white first. So let's solve the white first, and you should have a cube that looks something like that. We've also spoke about what we can call the different surfaces so that we can learn how to communicate about which sides to move, because the moves are going to get a bit more complicated. So we got front, right, left, up, down and back. And if we say front, we mean front. Oh, I've just not, hold on, just not phone. Yeah, if we say front, we mean front clockwise. If we say front inverted, anti-clockwise. If we say, so F could indicate front. We don't even need to say front entirely. We can just say F, and that means front. If we say R or right, it's the right surface clockwise. If we say R inverted, anti-clockwise. If we say L, then it's the left clockwise. L inverted, anti-clockwise. If we got U, it's the upper one, clockwise, up inverted, U inverted, anti-clockwise. If we say down, then it's the D, or down, it's clockwise. If we say D inverted, it's anti-clockwise. And if we did say B or back, then we do that clockwise, or B inverted is anti-clockwise, but we won't be moving the back much for level 3. So we've done the first two levels, but the last level is the most complicated, and we're actually going to do it in 4 stages. I'm going to teach you the first stage, and it's called the cross. So what we're concerned about is this surface here, the yellow surface, and we want to get it so that we have all of the cross yellow. It doesn't matter if the corners are yellow or not. We're not going to worry about that just yet. We'll do that later. We're not even going to worry if the cross is in the wrong order. And what I mean by that, if we've got a yellow here, but it's not the red one, we're not going to care. And if it's not the green one there, we're not going to care. We're just going to get them facing up, and then we'll move them around in the next stage. That's stage 2. Okay, so what we're going to do is we need to do these moves, and these are the only moves we need to do. But first, before we do these moves, we need to know how to hold the cube. Do we hold it like that, or do we hold it like that? Well, we definitely hold it with the yellow up. So the yellow is going to be the up one. And we just need to know which way round to hold it. And to know which way round to hold it depends upon which of these ones are yellow. So for the moment, it's just the middle, so it doesn't matter because it's just the middle. But if 2 of the others, and for some reason it'll never be just one, but if 2 of the others are yellow, then depending upon where they're positioned will determine how we hold it. So if we get 2 like that next to each other to form this kind of L shape or reverse L there, then we have to hold it like that. And hopefully in solving it, we'll see this play out so that we can do this. But if this and this were yellow, then we would want to rotate it. So it would be like that, so that it would look like that. Now, if you had them in a line, then you'd want it like that. So if you were holding it like that in a line, then you'd rotate it so that the line looked like that, to look like this picture here. And hopefully we'll encounter that as well. Okay, so in the meantime, just because it's just one in the middle, it doesn't matter which way we hold it. It really doesn't matter, so let's stop there. Okay, we'll do it like that. So remember, yellow up. So we're going to do these moves here. Front, so that's F means front clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right inverted, so that means right anti-clockwise, up inverted, that means up anti-clockwise, and F inverted, that means front anti-clockwise. So let's do it. So we got front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, and front inverted. So what have we got now? So we've got these two here, yellow. So what position do we get it in? Let's look here. So like that. Is it like that? No. So let's move it round. So it's like that. There it is. Okay, so we can do it again. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Right, so what do we have now? We have a strip like that, like that. So do we hold it like that? No, we hold it like that. So yellow's up, and we do it again. In fact, we can hold it like that, or we could hold it like that. It really doesn't matter. Just as long as it's that way. Okay, so we're going to do it again. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, left, front inverted. And there we go. We've got the cross. Now it might take you more times or less times than this to get the cross, but it doesn't matter. Just keep on following the pattern and just do it as many times as you need to. And you can see here the green's in the right place, but this one isn't. It's on the reds. This one isn't, and this one isn't. And the next stage will be getting these in the right position. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there. Good luck with that, and hopefully in the next day or so you can show me a cube like that. And remember, don't just follow the video. Don't stop when you're following the video and getting it fixed. You are ready for the next stage when you can do this from memory. You don't need to rely upon the video. But in the meantime, go ahead and write this out if you want, or take a screenshot, and then refer to it until you've committed it to memory. Okay? So good luck, Ben, and I look forward to hearing how you progress over the next couple of days.